Hundreds of demonstrators gathered outside the Supreme Court on Wednesday as oral arguments are heard on a second major legal attack to President Barack Obama's health care law. Most of the protesters were pro-Obamacare supporters, but a couple dozen turned out from the conservative Tea Party movement to rally against the law. Conservative challengers are taking aim at a pivotal part of the statute that authorizes tax subsidies to help people afford insurance.
We never imagined we would end up at the Supreme Court. But that just shows you how important this case is. There is no reason to force millions of us to pay tax penalties if we don't join a government program.
The court's 9 justices seem to be divided on ideological lines. Justice Anthony Kennedy appeared to be the possible swing vote in a decision. Kennedy raised concerns to lawyers on both sides about the possible negative impact on states if the government loses the case. If the court rules against the Obama administration, up to 7.5 million people in at least 34 states would lose the subsidies. The case does not affect people who obtained health insurance through their employer. The White House says the Supreme Court ruling against Obamacare would lead to catastrophic damages.
We would see millions of people lose their health insurance. We would see prices would likely go through the roof. And there's not a whole lot, frankly, that the government could do about it other than Congress passing legislation to fix it.
The court will issue a ruling by the end of June.